In forex trading, setup is key. Setup is king. Setup is everything. When you're trading, if you want to be profitable, you need to pay attention to your setup, like this one right here. That's a QML setup. I always spot this, and if I spot this, I always take my trades, whether it's on gold, whether it's on crash 500, whatever it is that I decide to trade at that time. If I spot this pattern, I look for confirmation factors like candlestick rejection patterns. As you can see at that juncture there's a huge candlestick rejection before price comes tumbling down. So you need to know your setup like the back of your hand. You need to have your setup in mind. You need to be familiar with your setup. You need to be familiar with the kind of trade that you like taking, such that when it presents itself in the market, you just take your trade just like that, and you're able to see other confluencing factors, whether it's resistance zones, support zones, rejection patterns, trend lines, whatever it is, it will help you enter the market. So if you want to be profitable trading, one of the things that I'll keep emphasizing is that know the setup that you trade. Because if you open your chart and you don't see your setup, that just basically means that that particular time is not a trading time for you. If you want to force things, if you try to force things, you will lose your hard-earned cash, you will lose money from your account, and you won't be profitable, and trading will be exhausting, and trading will give you a headache, and trading will be one of those things that give you stress. So if you do not want that particular stress, because trading on its own can be exhausting, so you want to minimize the exhaustion that comes from taking trades by trading a particular setup that you know. What do you trade? I love QML setups. As you can see on that one, there is a QML setup that presented itself, and after it presented itself, I had to mark my zones, I had to mark my QML level with that pink line there, and then I had to know where I'll exit, where I just moved the pink line to, so that I know where I exit the market. On this one, I'm trading a Propfirm account from Blue Guardian. You can check the link below if you are interested as well in signing up and also accessing instant funds. Instead of doing the evaluation on this one, I just decided to skip. That's a $10,000 account, so I decided to skip the evaluation process and purchase for myself an instantly funded account, so that after purchase you get your funds there and there, which works better for me than doing the one-step or two-step evaluation process. So when you finally get your account, when you maybe if you want to pass through the evaluation phase, when you pass it and you actually get a funded account, you'll have to know, should I repeat this? Your setup. You'll have to be familiar with what you want to trade. What do you trade? What have you been trading up to this time? Do you trade chart patterns? Do you trade candlestick rejection patterns? For one, I love trading the QML setup that you see there, that has a left shoulder and a head, and then I wait for the right shoulder to form. So I look for manipulation first before I enter, or I don't enter at the same level with the QML level. I enter a bit higher. You can check out my other videos where I teach on how you can use maximum paying level for you to find your entry point on a QML pattern. This is a pattern that I love trading, and I always profit from it.